It's a perfect situation.
Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead. And this is my Kefir. I did have one going for several years and then over winter it died off, but I started it up again. I got some more grains and started making it a couple of months ago, something like that. Now I'm just going to show you what I do with it. Now it's been, sometimes I'll put it in the fridge, sometimes I'll put it on the side. Depends on how quick I want it to do. Kefir does not particularly like metal, that's why I'm using all plastic utensils. And if I let it all drain, you can see the Kefir grains in the bottom of it. Now, to keep it going, you just take those grains and some of the milk and put them back into your jar. Do it again. I made some cheese from it the other week and that used a lot of the Kefir grains up. That's it, that'll do. This I'll now put in a jar and I'll have to drink the good bacteria that Kefir produces out of this one. Now I'll put back the Kefir grains and some of the milk. I'm just going to top it up. The milk I am using is what I had frozen. And that's now finished. I need to get another one out. Now because I've got a fair amount there, I don't want this going fast. So I just cover it up with anything it can breathe through. This is a piece of netting, put an elastic band on it. Putting it in the fridge will keep it so it doesn't work as fast. If you want it for Kefir to drink tomorrow, put it on the side in your kitchen. If the day after, then put it in your fridge and it'll slow it down an awful lot. And that's it for my Kefir. I'm going to now transfer the Kefir into the jar. And it just fits. Brilliant. As you know, I use tattle lids, so I don't bother putting a seal on it. Just that. And the ring. And I'll put that in the fridge. And I've got Kefir to drink for a couple of days with all the nice good bacteria.
It's a perfect